how to remove a door handle on a 1992 Dodge Dakota. I got a new door and I wanted to rekey the lock, and I got thinking, well, I'll just pull that off, and I was trying to figure it out and I couldn't figure it out. On the back of it, I looked on YouTube and I couldn't find anything with this particular type of deal here. This is attached in this 1/4 inch bar here that comes up and around that. You can't see very well up inside the truck when it's in there, but you take this nut loose here. I had to use a pair of channel locks to get it loose. Once I got it off, this retainer basically just comes right off of there. Piece of cake. Right here is your back of your door lock cylinder. There's a small ring that goes on here that's got a cable hooked to it, and a retainer clip that goes on top of that. You have to remove those two, and then this here, you can remove it here. That was pretty hard. Down here farther, this one has another clip basically similar to this one here, and it was a lot easier to get that one undone, so I just undid it. And then this whole thing comes out. Put it back in, you just reverse everything the way I put it in there. And let me show you here, see if I can get some light down in here. Inside the door, you can see where the door handle went. There is the back side of, that's the one that hooks onto your door lock cylinder, and then down below on the lock, on the door latch mechanism right here, you can see there's a retainer clip for the other one that's on the door handle. That's how you take a door handle out of a 92 Dodge Dakota.